Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Well, we're out here again today working on this 2002 custom weld Viper 2, and it has the 4.3 liter Vortec V6 in it. This boat is cooled by the lake water. However, it does not have lake water that actually circulates through the engine. It circulates through this heat exchanger up here, and then the antifreeze from the heat exchanger actually circulates through the engine. So things will last a lot longer and have a lot less corrosion that way. But the issue we're having today is this heat exchanger right here, which is this tank across here, has a cap on this end as well as the other end. And that rubber that you can see right there, that strip, is dripping just a little bit. So we've already replaced it on the other side. That's the easy side. This is the harder side over here, so we're going to take a look at that. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and loosen and remove these two bolts right here and remove this bracket for the antifreeze recovery tank and try to find a place to put that in the interim so it doesn't spill. There we have the tank removed, and it's sitting up on top of the engine in a position that it will not leak out this overflow right here. Now we're going to go ahead and take this bolt off. The important part is that we note the position that this is flat right across here. The alignment pin is at the top, and the bolt is through that hole right there. That's going to be important when we put this back together. Go ahead and loosen that bolt and take that whole cover off. And there's the tip of the heat exchanger with the cover removed. You can see the tubes right there. Right here at the bottom is where the water comes in, goes all the way down to the other end, comes back on this front one right here, goes up to the top one, and then exits out both sides from the top one. Here's the inside of this cover. You can see the rubber's kind of messed up looking on there. A little bit of corrosion, but it doesn't look too bad. So we're going to go ahead and set this down and peel this one off. You can see there, I think it was leaking down around the bottom down there. I'm not sure. It wasn't very tight, so that could be the cause of the leak. This is the one off the other side as well, right here. So you can see there's also a little washer right here, a little O-ring, and then the bolt and the cover. So I picked up this new seal right here. I think this is a Sierra part number. There's the part number right there, 18-0389. And this is for a Mercruiser heat exchanger. However, it's exactly the same, it looks like, as this one, same dimensions and everything. So there's the new rubber, and we'll go ahead and reverse the process and put it back on. When you're doing this reassembly, you want to make sure there's no corrosion around this rim here. Make sure you wire brush it if there's anything weird. Don't put any sealant on it unless it's absolutely desperate. If there's big pitting or something, you can put a little bit of high temperature like RTV or something on there, but it doesn't need it, and it should seal up as it is. I also recommend on this bolt in the middle putting a little bit of anti-seize on that when you thread it back in, just in case. So when it goes back together, you've got the plate, the big disc here, the O-ring, then we'll put the new part on there, and then go ahead and thread that up and tighten it down. Simple as that, all put back together. You can see now the new seal in there, all tightened up. This piece is level. Then we'll go ahead and just put the tank back on and the two screws. And there it is, all back together. So hopefully that was helpful, and check out those parts, those Sierra parts, if you need them. There are several different kinds and styles of heat exchangers, but it looked like that was the 4-inch model. I think there's bigger ones as well. This is a Marine Power, but the Mercury part seems to fit just the same. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video, and remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.